Gelato Print on Demand tutorial. How to sell print on demand design, make money. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to sell print on demand designs using Gelato and make money. Let's get straight to it. First, go to gelato.com and create an account if you haven't already. Gelato is a print on demand platform that connects your online store and fulfills your orders with high quality products. So once you're on the gelato.com site, just click on this sign up for free button and then just fill in all the details that they need from you. I'm just going to choose continue with Google and then choose my account. Next, they're going to prompt you about your goals. I'm just going to choose whatever that fits my goals. For this one, I'm going to choose clothing and other merch. Okay, they won't let you choose two, so I'm just going to choose clothing. Okay, for here, just choose whatever fits your business best. Okay, so once you've signed up, you land on your dashboard. Next, let's set up your store integration. Gelato works with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. For this tutorial, I use Shopify. Log into your Shopify account. Here, we'll see Connect Shopify Store. So let's just click on that and then install it on your Shopify store. And then here, just log in your Shopify store if you have one already. But for me, I'll just skip that process and just tell you straight how to create a product here. Okay, so once your integration is complete, let's move on to creating a product. Go back to the Gelato dashboard and click on Create a Product. Right here, you can see it in the top right corner. And then I'll just choose single product for now. Okay, so here you see a variety of products or a wide range of items to choose from, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, phone cases, and more. Select the product that you want to sell. But for this tutorial, I'm going to choose a t-shirt, specifically men's clothing. So I'm just gonna choose whatever I think fits my design best. Let's choose this premium one. Okay. Okay, so now it's time to upload your design. If you don't have a design yet, you can easily create one using Canva or Adobe Photoshop. Keep your niche in mind while designing, whether it's inspirational quotes, trendy graphics, or holiday themed art. Once your design is ready, upload it to Gelato by clicking on Upload Design right here, and then choose File. Make sure the design fits well within the print area and check the preview to ensure it looks great on the product. You can resize it. Just make sure that it is still within the print area, as you can see the gray faded lines behind this yellow lines. Just have to make sure that it is fitted to that one. Okay. So after finalizing your design, set your product details. You can add a catchy product name and description. For example, if it's a motivational t-shirt, you could name it Stay Inspired Tee and write a description highlighting the soft material, unique design, and inspiration behind it. Okay, after that, you can just continue. And then here, you can choose or select some mockups. It's really loading on mine. So wait for it to load. And then once you're done, you can click on the download button or continue to details. Okay, so right here, you can set your product details. You can add a catchy product name and description. For example, if it's a motivational t-shirt, you could name it Stay Inspired Tea and write a description highlighting the soft material, unique design, and the inspiration behind it. For this, I'm not going to change anything since they already have a preset details. And now let's continue to prices. Gelato shows you the base cost of the product, including printing and shipping. Decide on your profit margin and set your selling price accordingly. For example, if the t-shirt base is cost $10 and you want a $15 profit, set the price at $25. Now, once you're satisfied, just click on continue to review. And once you're satisfied, click publish to store and the product will automatically appear in your Shopify store. With your product live, it's time to promote it. Start by optimizing your Shopify store for conversions. Use a clean and user-friendly theme and add high quality product images and write compelling descriptions. Now let's talk marketing. Social media is one of the best ways to promote print-on-demand products. Create posts showcasing your designs and share them on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. If you're targeting a specific niche, use hashtags that your audience is likely to search for. For example, if your designs focus on travel, use hashtags like wanderlust or hashtag travel style. Another great strategy is running ads. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to target specific demographics based on age, interests, and location. For instance, if your product is a funny coffee mug, you can target coffee lovers aged 25 to 40 who enjoy humorous content. Don't forget about email marketing. If you have an email list, send out a newsletter introducing your new products. Offer a limited discount to encourage purchases and create a new sense of urgency. Lastly, leverage Gelato's global fulfillment network. Gelato has print partners in over 30 countries, which means you can offer fast shipping to customers worldwide. Highlight this in your store to attract international buyers. To recap, here's a quick breakdown of how to make money with Gelato. Choose a product and create a design. Second is upload the design to Gelato and publish the product to your store. Third is to market your products through social media, ads, and email campaigns. Fourth is to let Gelato handle printing, packaging, and shipping while you focus on growing your brand. And here's a bonus tip. Offer seasonal designs to boost sales. For example, launch holiday themed products around Christmas, Valentine's Day, or Halloween. Seasonal design tend to attract more buyers because they feel timely and relevant. And that's it for this tutorial. By following these steps, you can start your print-on-demand business with Gelato and turn your creativity into a steady income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.